think it's extremely important that we do have a certification process and a company like Wise that can give that support and that validity. To be able to onboard a technician and have a standard process for them to have a baseline and a foundation, regardless of any of their prior experiences, we need to have some sort of frame of reference and really recognize guidelines on those employees to educate them on the bare basics and more even advanced and in-depth technical aspects. And you have to know what you're servicing, and that makes a ton of sense, and you just have to be able to prove that those technicians have gone through that process, and everybody is consistent.